New Audi A8 2021 release date, price, facelift. This A8 nameplate merely has existed regarding 26 years, while significant competition prefers Mercedes have gotten practically 100 years to best its promotions. However, while its German alternatives, much like the S-Class and even BMW 7 Series generally is a bit more highly processed, this Audi A8 2021 is undoubtedly no slouch. Through two equipped turbocharged the 335 horsepower V6, as well as a 453 horsepower V8, this exec sedan includes ample lean muscle to thrust more compact automobiles beyond its own approach, even when this is lacking in this control profile more magnificent competition. This A8 also comes with a substantial number of standard capabilities, along with aggressive petrol usage results. However, which has a starting up cost of $85,200, which is unlikely to matter a lot of consumers. If you desire real deluxe, without having each of the pomp along with the wedding, any Audi A8 should really become in your list. Audi A8 2021 redesign. Exterior design. Professional sedans are designed to get conventionally fine, along with the A8, which can be the best instance of that ethos. There are numerous contours round the back end. Nevertheless, the overall look is among conservative product lines having full bumpers. A diverse solitary body grille occupies many of the fasciae, having some hole-guided front lights bending very a little throughout the broad engine. These tail lights and also daytime operating lighting is two-guided. Each cut concentrations can come typical, having 19 inches alloy rims when 20 or maybe 21 in. Stylized choices offered, plus the 60 TFSI, receives black color braking system calipers. Any breathtaking sunroof and also a potential trunk area cover are typical, while all doors feature gentle shutting electrical power characteristics. A couple of external plans are offered to change the sedan's visual appeal. In essence, a sport type together with dark optic bundle, incorporating sportier factors, and you simply thought that, blacked out clip features. The two of these trims oddly have to have the various to become geared up, so that it is a high-priced all-in group. Sizable high-end sedans are quite awkward critters, muscling the way to the street, making use of their absolute measurement up to their capable motors. These Audi A8 2021 holders are incredibly pleased with 208.7 inches. Lengthy, when merely the 123.1 prolonged wheelbase will come in these states in the USA. While you will find bulkier sedans in the marketplace, any Audi even now requirements at the least 76.6 in. From area to park your car, featuring its decorative mirrors flattened downwards. Interior design. These A8's cabin is quite large on account of the sedan's lengthy wheelbase, through a lot of the area delegated into the back-end chairs. Beforehand, the majority of the dashboard is included with the twin touchscreen technology infotainment method. Though just like it seems, this collection may be a little difficult to run. The remainder of the cabin appearance fine, far too, together with the settings presented for the comfort of process. That chairs are incredibly variable, way also, using coziness merely being the primary matter. You will find a couple of spots since suite to pass through sometime when within a deluxe exec sedan, plus the Audi A8 2021 can be the best case in point. Audi provides its leading sedan, which has a twin touchscreen infotainment package that comes programmed having wireless Bluetooth capabilities, Apple CarPlay, Android operating system automotive, Amazon Alexa, and even menu. The typical 17 loudspeaker Bang & Olufsen 3-dimensional audio system arrives associated with HD radio station along with Sirius XM, though it could be improved to your 23 loudspeaker Bando product. 2 universal serial bus plugins are available to the people in the beginning. At the same time, the heart armrest may add a Wi-Fi charger along with an alert increaser contained in the exec package deal. A back-end seating enjoyment technique is available too, comprising twin pills and also a digital video disc gamer inside the glove area. Audi A8 2021 engine. A couple of effective, very well sophisticated powertrains can be found beneath the engine in the Audi A8, based on precisely how absurdly highly effective you genuinely desire your exec sedan to get. The 48-volt MHEV generator arrives paired to every engine, attaining demand when on the go and also pointing this for the sedan's devices rather than counting on vitality coming from the combustion engine. The typical engine can be a 3.0-liter V6. This builds up 335 horsepower along with 369 lb-ft. Licensed through a 7-velocity auto gearbox, its potential might be sent to all tires concurrently. A few competitors give you a back-end tire drivetrain as regular, by having an optionally available all-tire drivetrain. However, Audi tends to make the brilliant Quattro drivetrain any standard. On this guise, this Audi A8 2021 doesn't have difficulty having out and about or transferring on the road, with lots of electrical power quickly on the faucet. Nevertheless, when you nonetheless desire much more, there is this 4.0-liter turbocharged V8, which comes around the 60 TFSI. Mated into the identical transmission and also associated with that Quattro drivetrain, the engine evolves 453 horsepower along with 487 lb-ft. Exactly the many substantial performance of athletics cars and trucks must supply you with a jog for the money on the road. Although it could be intended to get run in, rather than to operate, these Audi A8 is way with uninteresting. You may not get dogging its rotund rump about hairpins transforms from the hillsides. However, the sizable sedan can certainly still offer much excitement using its sporting velocity, especially if you are ready to upspec the automobile. The accessible all-tire directing is uniquely beautiful upon an in any other case heavy vehicle, providing that A8 a more explicit switching group and even more significant velocity speed plus security as compared to you would assume from your stately cruiser. Audi A8 2021 price and release date. Placed on the incredibly surface of Audi's low-performance car or truck array, it is hardly surprising how the Audi A8 2021 carries a totally premium cost label. Having powering any tire, or reasonably within the rear seating, from the 55 TFSI sets prospective buyers again an outstanding $85,300. If your turbocharged V6 within the bonnet in the starting point product is not ample for you personally, then you may receive a lot more powerful V8 during the 60 TFSI with an increased worth of $96,800.